What's going on, guys? Thanks for watching my video, and let's jump to this. What you're looking at the screen is a 2009 Yamaha YZ450f that we want to turn into a street legal supermoto bike. So let's jump in and let's see what it takes to make this happen. So let's get a closer look to this bike and an overall view. I test drove it and it's amazing. Still have a lot of compression for being a 10-year-old bike. The guy that had it barely drove it. You can tell because those are actually the original tires that came with the bike. So he already put the kickstand, which is a Tech, and that saved us around 150 bucks. The engine case, everything looks good, no cracks at all, no oil leaks. The chains, I mean, we're gonna change this anyway, so who cares? But overall, it's a really solid bike. So I just went ahead and already swapped out the new Supermoto wheel. And since we're talking about the wheels, I went ahead and logged into Craigslist and OfferUp because we're gonna be working with a tight budget for this build. So after a quick search, I found this. This is a Rap 9 Supermoto wheels. The guy that sold it to me, he told me that these were installed in a YZ450. Fortunately, but it was 2010, if I don't misrecall. The problem with the 2010 is that it has a different size on the back axle. So I had to go to eBay and get an axle for the 2010 bike. And fortunately, those fits in all the bike, all the year models. So what I did is I just swapped those and installed it. It was pretty easy. The only hard part was to take out the old axle because it was really rusty because the previous owner never took it out. I'm just a bouncer. Somebody, baby, sweet baby. And finally, they are installed. They look amazing. Of course, I cannot drive this thing yet because it doesn't have a chain, and I'm planning on chaining the front sprocket anyway. So, but for now, just look at these. They look amazing. One of the things that I didn't mention is that the previous owner included a kill switch with a key, and this is going to be really helpful when I put on the street legal kit because I mean you don't want to have a bike that anybody can start around there if you leave it on the street. And that's gonna be all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, hit the subscribe button and like, and if you have any questions, hit me on the comment box.